Hey, home chefs. One of the challenges I have when cooking chicken breasts is that they're sometimes so thick that it has to cook forever to get done all the way through. Inevitably, this leads to a tough, dry piece of meat that no one wants to eat. I was so happy when I discovered the cut and slice. I can use it to turn one thick chicken breast into two or sometimes even four cutlets that cook quickly and evenly so that it stays nice and tender. Not to mention, using this also helps with portion control and budgeting because now one chicken breast might serve four people. What's your secret to tender chicken breasts?